Al Pastor made simple in your kitchen, and I'm going to show you how. So these are the ingredients for the marinade. 3 tablespoons achiote paste, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon Mexican oregano, and 1 tablespoon cumin. So what I'm going to do is put all of these dry ingredients into my bowl like so. There we go. The next step of this recipe is 3/4 vinegar and 1 cup of pineapple juice. And I put these together in my liquid measure. So here it goes. Next, we're gonna give this marinade a nice stir. And again, the achiote paste is something that will take a little bit to break up, but not too long, maybe like a minute, less than a minute of stirring this together. Oh, this smells so wonderful. This is one of the easiest recipes to make, easy marinade. And again, make enough so you have some for tomorrow and the next day. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like all combined together. So I have everything mixed together. Now we're going to put in the 5 pounds of pork shoulder. And so this is what I have. I sliced it in advance, and 5 pounds of pork shoulder going into the marinade now. Coat it nicely. Okay. Get it covered. And again, I've washed my hands numerous times. So now we're going to go ahead and let our pork shoulder marinate for 2 hours. Once our marinated meat is done, we're going to stack them neatly on this wooden skewer on top of 2 sliced pineapples. So I've marinated my pork shoulder for 2 hours, and now it's time to stack it on top of my pineapple with a skewer right down the middle. So let's get stacking. Easy. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this smells delicious. A couple of more seconds of delicious marinade. Okay. And now my pineapple topper. Easy peasy. If I could do it, you could do it too. Now it's time to get this into the oven for 2 hours at 350. After 2 hours, my Al Pastor is now done, and it smells amazing. It's piping hot. You're gonna love this recipe. And again, if I can do it, you can do it too. Let's get this cut and see how it tastes. Just gonna give it a little cut. I'm gonna hold it, it's a little hot, so I'm gonna just take a little piece off here to start with. And maybe a little bit of this delicious pineapple. Cut a little bit. So hot. So I'm gonna get my tortilla, corn. I'm gonna get a little bit of this pastor here, a couple of slices. And I'm gonna put a little bit of cilantro. As you know, I love cilantro, a little bit of onion. And maybe one more piece of meat. And maybe another piece of pineapple. And I'm gonna give it a little squeeze of some lime juice. Now, to taste it. So good. You have got to try this. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'll catch you in the next video.